My name's Brent Maxwell. I'm the president of Precision Systems Engineering. We go by PSC, it's a lot easier. And we work with MotivHealth. Precision Systems Engineering, we do heavy industrial engineering for the most part. We do mechanical, electrical, structural, controls and automation. And we work in the oil and gas industry. We work in mining, manufacturing, and we dabble in commercial and do some light manufacturing, but we do a lot of heavy industrial work. I've been involved with the insurance side of the company my whole career. You know, my experience is an overall experience with MotivHealth. We looked at lots of insurance companies over the years, and usually what happens is the broker comes in and says, oh, we're gonna up you again. Oh, we're gonna up you again. Do you wanna change companies? We might get a slightly better up deal. They'll charge you less than 20% this time. Let's change it. Let's do another round of finding another company to work with. And that's what we did for a good 25 years. And we just switched companies, tried to get a better deal, but nothing like MotivHealth is amazing. What they're trying to do is help us actually save money with our insurance rather than make a ton of money with our insurance. And it's a whole different concept. It's just fascinating and marvelous. MotivHealth will help us save money with our premiums. That's the first thing they do. Secondly, they'll help us save costs with hospital bills. They find a way to help us save costs on our pharmaceuticals. We had almost as much pharmaceutical cost as we did our hospital costs, basic medical costs, with all of our other insurance companies. When we got with MotivHealth, they took our pharmaceutical costs from about half down to about 5%. Now, what company out there ever offered to help us with pharmaceutical costs? None. This was the first company that ever did that, and they took our costs down literally 40 to 50% less than, well, let me say that even better. It's 80 to 90% of pharmaceutical costs disappeared. And that was huge for us. And so we're like, man, this is different. These guys are great. And then with HSA, with their STEP program, we get to have actual donations from our insurance company going into our employees' accounts. If they try to be a little bit healthy, getting 8,000 steps in a month, yeah, and our employees love that. It's like, what other company will do that? None. This is so unique, so wonderful, it's incredible. We love MotivHealth. Another really fascinating piece about Motiv is that they have this thing called MotivU, where you go online and you learn all about MotivHealth and what they can do to help you and how you can save money and be healthier, and it's just marvelous. And then they'll give you $50 for doing it. It's like, cool. So I went and did it, and I learned some things about what MotivHealth can do for us. So that was great.